Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 7177 Hertfordshire Way in Victor, an amazing architect-designed colonial on almost an acre. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends with a charming front porch, leading to this grand two-story foyer with crown molding and a decorative staircase. Open to the formal living room with crown molding and great natural light. And an elegant dining room with a recessed ceiling and wainscoting. Imagine entertaining in this phenomenal open layout. With this expansive cook's kitchen with wood-mode cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pot filler, and a center island. Open to the family room with a gorgeous brick gas fireplace and mantel. Plus a special morning room with a vaulted ceiling and a wall of windows with patio access, all with scenic nature views. The first floor also features an executive office or parlor with built-ins, plus a laundry and powder room. The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Including this expansive owner's suite with a cathedral ceiling, a palladium window, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom. While the finished lower level provides great additional space with an expansive bonus room and abundant storage. This incredible backyard is perfect for entertaining, with an expansive slate patio with 2 retractable awnings, iconic columns, a charming gazebo, gorgeous stonework, and exquisite landscaping throughout the almost acre lot. The architectural detailing of this stunning home is impeccable with excellent curb appeal, plus a cupola and a 3-car garage, all on a quiet neighborhood street of fine homes. Nearby, the village of Victor offers excellent restaurants and shopping. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7177 Hertfordshire Way in Victor, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!